Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about ClickCease for trading. With the average SME business in the USA spending $9,000 to $10,000 per month, that offers a potential loss of between $100,000 to $120,000 per year. It might also depend on your geographical location, with certain countries seeing a higher average rate of PPC fraud than others. Do you really need anti-click fraud for your business? Click fraud takes your PPC budget. Another big money industry, offering gambling is both lucrative and competitive. And so the CPC on gambling-related terms is high. Slightly controversially, we've also included financial trading under this heading, which is kind of the same thing. Gambling, poker, Forex, CFR trading, spread bet. Add the word online to any of those words, and you're easily looking at $50-100 per click and upwards. Popular search terms include online casino, online gambling games, play poker online, trade Forex, CFD trading platform, and spread betting via CFD. All of those search terms are in the region of $100 on average and can easily exceed that. Get a ClickCease account for free today, and you'll start thinking about fake Google Ads clicks. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickCease and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.